Hey guys, right now it's lunchtime. We're at Big Chicken. This one is owned by Shaquille O'Neal. He has his own chicken sandwich place. So I got the tenders and two different chicken sandwiches. We'll go straight with the tenders. So this is what the plate looks like. They serve it with two pieces and some fried French fries. You can see the chicken tenders, a lot of seasoning on that one. And the fries look like it has salt and pepper. I like their plate. It has the logo, Big Chicken. And it says Buck Buck. So I got 4 of the sauces here. 4 of the dipping sauces. So we have buffalo sauce. We have the barbecue ranch. We have the Shack sauce, as well as the Memphis barbecue sauce. We're gonna try out all 4 of them. Pretty big piece of chicken. I know the chicken that they use here is humanely killed and preservative free. Look at the white pieces of chicken right there. Still steaming hot. I'm gonna go with the buffalo sauce. Still piping hot. Chicken is very juicy. Wow. The sauce has a strong kick to it. A little bit on the sour side. Oh, but it's good. We're gonna try the Shack sauce. Don't know what the ingredients are, but let's give it a taste. Kind of like a sweet and sour barbecue sauce. Pretty unique. Man, you can eat this on anything. And this is the Texas barbecue. Your typical Memphis barbecue sauce. I love the sweetness. Also tangy. I like the Shack sauce better than the Memphis barbecue. And for the 4th sauce, this is the barbecue ranch. The Memphis barbecue is still in my taste buds, so let's give it a second. It's subtly smooth. It's definitely more ranch than barbecue. I like it. It's very, very creamy too. I like this and the Shack sauce. And this is the French fries right here. It's thin like a paper cut thin. It's not greasy. It's very, very thin. It's more like a hybrid of a potato chip and a French fry. Very, very crispy. All right, I'm gonna go with these 2 sandwiches now. This one is called the Uncle Jerome, which is a Nashville-style chicken sandwich. You can see the lettuce, mayonnaise, the sauce dipped in the Nashville sauce. Oh man, look at the chicken, very thick, with some pickles in the bun. All right, look how big that is. It's a big chicken. Cheers. I gotta give it to it. The chicken sandwich is very good. Similar to the tenders, the chicken is very juicy with a crispy outside. The Nashville sauce gives it a good kick. Shaq, you gotta open your own restaurant. This will definitely sell. For our last sandwich, this is the Big Aristotle. I think this one has everything. So you can see, it has the bun, crispy onions, Memphis barbecue sauce, bacon, Munster cheese, right there. Man, this is a heart attack waiting to happen, guys. I feel like going down in my arteries right now. It is that rich. Man. The bacon and the barbecue sauce makes it a totally different sandwich compared to the Nashville chicken sandwich. If you're feeling something hearty and something that will make you full, I'll go with the Big Aristotle. But if you just want your traditional chicken sandwich, spicy chicken sandwich, I'd go with Uncle Jerome. But you can't lose over here. This one is definitely a winner. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of What to Eat. Today we're at Guy's Burger Joint on the Carnival Cruise. We just got back from Ensenada and we're headed back to Long Beach, unfortunately. But before we do, we're gonna try out Guy's Burger Joint. You ready to try it out?
Yep.
Alright, so we're gonna try Guy's Cheeseburger. This place is pretty popular. I see long lines over there. We're gonna see if it's worth the wait. So we'll take a look at the cheeseburger. It looks like it's been flame broiled. Then there's some melted cheese on top already. They have different toppings, but I got lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and pickles. And Jaden just got cheese and the beef patty.
And I'm gonna put ketchup.
Yes, he's gonna put ketchup. I think there's too much pickles on mine. Just need a couple slices. Oh, looks like they put some special homemade mayonnaise. Can I get some ketchup, please?
Okay.
Alright. It also comes with a handful of fries. Looks like Cajun fries.
Yeah.
I gotta have ketchup and mayonnaise on my burger. It's an essential. Okay.
I think I put too much.
Hey, that's not bad. Too much is good. It's a good thing. Okay, let's go. Cheers. Cheers, guys. That burger is really, really tasty. The meat is well seasoned. And it is huge. I don't think I'm going to be able to finish this burger. This one is a lot already. I love the vegetables. It gives it a different texture. This is definitely Flavor Town. Very, very juicy. Good job, guys.
Let's try the french fries.
Let's try the french fries. This is what it looks like. Cajun seasoning. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. It's a little bit thicker than your average French fry, but it's pretty good. They have different sauces over there, like chipotle mayo. I think they have a barbecue sauce, but I got a chipotle mayo. Slightly orange sauce. That one is pretty good. Here, I'll have it with the chipotle mayo. Despite all this juicy meat, the bun is still holding to form. Pretty good.